Hello and welcome. So today let us discuss problem on day 18th of November LeetCode challenge. So the question is ugly numbers. So yeah. So in the question is easy, like it's pretty easy question. In the question we have given a number and we have to find if the number uh, has prime factors 2, 3 or 5 only. In that case, the given number is ugly. So also one thing, it has to be a positive number with prime factors as 2, 3 or 5. So let us check some examples. So our example is 6. So what are factors of 6? 6 is just 2 into 3. So both 2 and 3 are the only prime factors that 6 have. So that is why it's a ugly number and it is true. So now in case of 1, now 1 has no prime factors, therefore all its prime factors are limited to 2, 3 and 5. Yeah, so 1, it can be called as a corner case also, that 1 has 0 prime factors and the condition was uh, they should be limited between these. So either it can be 2, 3 or 5, or there, like if there is only 2 as a factor of number, that is also an ugly number. Only 3 can be a possibility, or only 5, or any combinations of these three numbers. Also, no prime factor is also a ugly number. So the only thing which has no prime factor is 1. Yeah. So now how to approach a question. So suppose how to approach this question. Suppose we have number 14, right? Now how to decide if it is ugly or not? So what do we have? We have 2, we have 3, we have 5. So let us make remove uh, uh, all the contributions of 2 from this number. So 14 by 2, yeah, it is divisible 7. Now it is not anymore divisible by 2. So now let's check and remove all the mm, contributions of 3 from this. So 7, but 7 mod 3, as we do this, we won't get 0, it is 1. So it is not divisible by 3. So no, like it won't happen that we will be able to divide 7 by 3. Then also 7 is not divisible by 5. Yeah. So at the end, we have removed all the prime possible factors of 14, which were 2, 3 or 5, and we are remained with 7. So that is why it is not an ugly number, as it has another prime factor except for these three numbers. So this is not the case. So now what logic we could use is, given any number n, and we will first divide it by 2 until it is able to divisible by 2, until it is dividable by 2. Then after that we will divide it by 3, then divide it by 4 until they are divisible by 4. And after doing all these operations, if we left with n equal to 1, that means it can't be divided further. So then it is an ugly number. That's it. So this is the case of positive numbers. Now let me just show you the question. So in the question, n can be from minus 2 to the power 31 to like int max 2 to the power 31 minus 1. So but our question statement was the number has to be positive integer. So now another case what we can think of is, suppose, so if n has to be positive, so if n is less than or equal to 0, then it won't be ugly. So in that case we will simply return 0. That's it. So if yeah, so if n is less than equal to 0, then we will simply return 0. So that's pretty much it. Now let's check the code. Yeah, so we are given n. Now we will simply check if n our we will just put our base case. If n is less than equal to 0, return 0. If not, then just do while n mod 2 equal to 0. So if n is divisible by 2, then make until it is not, while n modulo equal to 3 equal to 0, n mod n divided by 3. Yeah, so we have now in these steps we have removed all the factors, all the prime factors of 2, 3 and 5, all the multiples of 2, 3 and 5, all the powers of 2, 3 and 5 which were contributing in n. Now after doing all this, if n becomes 1, then yes, it is a ugly number. If not, if n is something else, then just return 0 that it is not an ugly number. Now let's check for sample test cases. Yeah, use sample one. It is getting. Let's try and submit. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you for watching.